everyone, this is Moses, the one who helped you if you're interested to study in Korea. Did you enjoy the last video of Seoul National University? Haha, now I'm here to KU, which is Korea University. So if you're interested to see how Korea University is, don't miss out. Guys, you might be disappointed because Korean University, it looks small, but no, you don't need to be disappointed because usually university here in Korea, they don't have one campus. They have many various campus, like 2 or 3 depending on the school. And this Korea University campus is the Seoul campus. They have another one at Chungcheongdo. So actually, I was wondering about which part to focus on while explaining to you, and found out that Korea University has a total of 23 colleges, and Seoul has a total of 17 colleges, including 6 independent faculties. And today, I'm going to focus on introducing some of the things you might be curious about. So, trust me and follow me. Guys, this is Korea University College of Medicine. Last time you didn't see the College of Medicine in Seoul University. The reason is because here they have an hospital. So if a school have a hospital, they automatically have the College of Medicine. So this is the College of Medicine of Korea University. Yes, this is Korea University Hospital, where Korea University Medical School is located. And if you move behind the Korea University Hospital like this is where Korea University Medical School is located. Guys, this is the Department of Engineering. So, like, among the departments here in Korea University, this department is the department with a lot of students. And the environment here is like researchers' environment, because a lot of students are like learning here, they want to become researchers. So, and another characteristic, there is a global company called SK Hynix that's make semiconductor, and they partnership with Korea University and made a major called semiconductor engineering. So if you are admitted at that major, you are guaranteed to get a job in SK Hynix. So I was so surprised. School of Cyber Security. Guys, as I told you, SK Hynix has partnership with Korea University and made semiconductor engineering, but here this major, the government has partnership with Korea University and made this major to get like national intelligence agents. Guys, to be a national intelligence agent here in Korea is really hard, but if you graduated to this major, you have an advantage. But this opportunity is for Korean. You can get the job in intelligence if you are a foreigner, but I wanted to say that I was very surprised about this kind of collaboration between a company and a university while I was doing a research before coming here. In fact, there are not many cases in Korea like this, which means that Korea University is really good. Guys, this is a library, but not a central library, but a library for science and engineering. And to be honest, for science and engineering library, it looks very big. And like outside it looks a little bit old, but inside, because of remodeling, it looks great. Guys, this is the business management department, and they have in total 3 buildings, but I will show you 2 today. The first one is this one, which is the main building, and the second one is this one, LG Hospital. And as you see, it was built recently, and it's not like Korean like style, because they wanted to make something not local but global. Like the curriculum, the building, they wanted to make it as the top business management like schools. So they have a very good curriculum. Wow,
Doesn't the campus feel like Europe rather than Korea? Looks like a European castle.
This is Korean Language Center. Guys, if you want to learn Korean language in Korea University, this is the place and feel free to apply. Here at Korea University, the Korean Language Center is a little bit apart from other buildings, like it's not in the campus. So if you want to come to learn Korean language here, just keep that in mind. Yes guys, this was Korea University. Did you enjoy the video? I showed you around and I thought it might be Korean style, like the building, the environment, but this looks like Europe. What do you think? Just leave some comment and let me know. And another thing, if you want me to visit another university that you want, please feel free to leave the comment below and see you next time. Bye!